Hear that crunch? Stop ordering Paneer Manchurian from outside. Today I will show you how to make super crispy restaurant style Paneer Manchurian at home with that perfect glossy glaze. Let's start. First, take 200 grams of paneer cubes in a bowl. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Mix it. One teaspoon black pepper powder. Toss. Add salt to taste. Gently toss everything. Make sure each cube is lightly coated. This is the secret to that crispy outer layer. Now heat oil in a pan. Once hot, carefully drop the paneer cubes into the oil. Fry until they turn golden brown and crispy. Remove and set aside. In the same pan, keep about 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 cup finely chopped onions. Saute for a minute until fragrant. Now add capsicum cubes, onion cubes, and chopped green chilies. Keep the flame high. We want them cooked but still crunchy. And wait till you see the final glance. That is the real game changer. Time for the flavor bomb. 2 tablespoons red chilli sauce. 1 tablespoon chilli sauce, 2 tablespoon tomato sauce, 1/4 spoon of soya sauce. Mix everything well. Add salt to taste. Now mix 2 tablespoons corn flour with a little water to make a slurry. See that thick shiny texture. That is the restaurant style finish. Add back the crispy paneer. Toss quickly so every piece gets coated in the spicy, tangy sauce. Add some chopped spring onions. Finish with chopped spring onion and toasted sesame seeds. And there you have it, perfect restaurant style paneer manchurian at home. So comment below, do you like dry or gravy manchurian? Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more easy recipes. Happy cooking. Thank you for watching.